I'm 28 years old now, and this is something I've carried inside me since I was 20. I never told this properly to anyone, not my family, not my closest friends, not even the people who were there that night. Maybe because I knew nobody would believe me. Maybe because even after all these years, a part of me still wishes it never happened. But deep down, I know what I felt was real, and that feeling still follows me like a shadow. Back then, I was in college. Life was simple: loud laughter, cheap food, sleepless nights, stupid jokes, random bike rides, and the feeling that nothing bad could ever touch us. We were a group of six friends who stayed together almost every day. At that age, fear feels fake, ghost stories are entertainment, death feels very far away. One night changed that forever. It was around 11:30 pm during our semester break. We were sitting near an old open ground close to our college area. There was a broken compound wall, a few trees, and an unfinished building nearby. It wasn't exactly scary, but after midnight, the place became strangely silent. Still, for us, it was just another spot to chill. We were joking loudly, pulling each other's legs, talking nonsense the way college boys do. One friend was playing songs softly on his phone, while another was trying to scare us with fake horror stories. Everyone was laughing. Everything felt normal. Then suddenly, something changed. I still remember the exact moment because the atmosphere around us became heavy without warning. It felt like someone invisible had walked into the middle of our group and stood there quietly. No sound, no movement, just a presence. At first, I thought it was my imagination. Then I smelled something. It was the smell of flowers. But not fresh flowers. It was the same strong smell used during funeral rituals and burial ceremonies. The kind of smell that stays in the air during prayers for the dead. It hit me so suddenly that I stopped laughing instantly. I looked around thinking maybe someone nearby had flowers or incense sticks, but there was nobody. The road was empty. The unfinished building was dark. Even the dogs around there had gone silent. I asked my friends if they could smell it too. One of them laughed and said, maybe I was imagining things. Another friend said he could faintly smell something strange too, but ignored it. Everyone went back to joking, but I couldn't relax anymore. The air felt wrong. I cannot explain this properly even today, but it honestly felt like someone was standing among us and watching silently. Not like a normal person, something cold, something waiting. My chest started feeling tight. I kept looking behind me again and again without reason. Every small sound made me nervous. I remember getting goosebumps even though the weather wasn't cold. Then something even stranger happened. For a few seconds, all the laughter around me started sounding distant, almost muffled, like I was underwater. I could still see my friends talking, but my mind was focused on that horrible feeling. And in that moment, one thought came into my head so strongly that it scared me. It felt like whatever was there had not come to scare us. It had come to take someone. I know how insane that sounds. Trust me, if someone else told me this story back then, I would have laughed too. But that thought entered my mind suddenly and clearly. It is here for someone. I didn't tell anyone what I was feeling because I didn't want to sound crazy. After some time, we all left for home. I barely slept that night. The smell, the silence, the heaviness, everything kept replaying in my mind. The next afternoon, around 2 pm, I got a phone call. One of the friends who was with us that night had died at his home. Just like that. No accident, no fight, no warning. His family said he suddenly collapsed. Some people said maybe it was a medical issue, but nobody gave a clear reason. Even today, I don't know the exact cause. I remember standing there numb during his funeral, and then that same smell of flowers hit me again. The exact same smell from the previous night. At that moment, my blood ran cold. Since then, I've never been able to forget what happened. I've tried convincing myself it was coincidence, maybe stress, maybe fear, maybe my brain connected unrelated events afterward. But another part of me still believes that night was not normal. Sometimes I still wake up remembering that heavy silence. Sometimes funeral flower smells make my heart race instantly. And sometimes I wonder, what if some things really exist around us that we are never supposed to notice? I never confessed this because I was scared people would call me mad or attention seeking. But after carrying this for 8 years, I just wanted to finally say it somewhere.